Alright, hello everybody. Welcome to another video in the IT training course that I'm doing. Today we're going to be talking about group policy, what it is, and then we're going to do a live example of setting a standard desktop wallpaper on a computer via group policy. If you haven't watched any of my previous videos, my name is Mason. I'm an IT professional. I've been in IT for about 3 years. I've worked in MSP environments and corporate environments. I currently hold my CompTIA A+, Network Plus, Security Plus, and then my CCNA. Goal here is just to teach people about IT, how everything works on the back end, and yeah, let's get started. So I already have a desktop background that I want to use. It is going to be in a share. This is the background, nothing fancy, it's just a standard background just to test out. Let's go ahead and get started. So first thing that we're going to want to do, well actually in the last video we actually joined a computer to the domain. So let's just make sure that is working fine. So the site1 OU and the computers. Great. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to try to make this as easy as possible and simple as possible for people to learn. So what is group policy? Group policy allows for automated configuration and policy setup on client devices, just for centralized management. As in this case, we are going to be deploying a desktop wallpaper onto a computer, and this will be standard for all computers in the domain or wherever you set the policy. So let's go ahead. Probably should have showed y'all. Open up group policy management right here in the server machine. Right, this opens up. See all the OUs that you have. What we're going to do is group policy objects. We're going to right click this, click new. The name, wallpaper. Click OK. Right. Okay. So this is what it looks like. The location is nowhere yet because we haven't applied the policy yet. The security filtering, we're just going to put it as all authenticated users. This is an option that you can use if you want to, if you're testing out a GPO and you want to test out on one person, you can just set it to filter only and apply on only one person or one computer. In this case, we don't really need that. We're just gonna set it to all. Alright, let's see, we're gonna right click on the group policy, click edit. Now, here's where we make our configuration. So what I'm looking at here is we go to user configuration. I think it's preferences. Let's see. I had to look it up because I'm not sure off the top of my head. Policies, yeah, it is policies. Administrative templates. Desktop. Desktop. Alright. Now look. So this is kind of just a subfolder where we're at. See this desktop wallpaper right here? I'm actually expand this so it's easier to view. This desktop wallpaper setting. Double click on it. There we are. Alright. So we actually need the path. Forgot. We're going to need the path of the that's not going to do it. Path of the share. So DC 1 slash shares. Let's just do it like this. Wallpaper. like that. Per name, center, it's enabled, apply. I think there's any other settings that we don't need. There we go. So it's enabled. So now that we configured it to set it as the actual, um, yeah. So now that we configured it, now we have to actually apply it to the full domain or a specific OU. In our previous video, we set up the site1 OU. So you have the option to apply it to the whole domain or to a specific OU. So we're gonna minimize this. This is what I mean. So I can apply it here, and it'll only be applied to any computers, users, groups in this OU. Or I could do it to the whole domain and it'll apply to everything. So I just applied to the whole domain. So we're gonna right click on lab.local, link an existing OU, click on wallpaper, done. Alright, we are done with this. Let's go ahead and go to our Windows 10 machine to pull the update from the computer. We're going to do a GP update / force. Alright, sign out. So the GP update actually just pulls the policy, the group policy configuration that we just did from the domain controller and applies it. So we just log out and log back in. It's black right now. I wonder what happens. So it's applied. The wallpaper is actually applied. The GP result, actually, I forgot to mention. Just a way to looking at the group policy objects that's applied. So the wallpaper is applied, but it's black. I wonder if it's a Windows thing. Let's try a restart. It needs to update. Great. Let's just make sure I have the configuration right on the server. Go to edit, user policies, desktop, just a wallpaper. It's enabled. Oh, I see what I did. I didn't actually put the file needed. Let's go back. Wallpaper. And then wallpaper. Okay, so we're gonna need //dco1 /wallpaper /wallpaper.jpg. I totally just overlooked that. So that actually points to the direct file. We were just pointing to the folder that the file was in, and that's no good. We have to point it to the actual file. That was a mistake on my part. Gonna run another policy update. Log out, log back in. Should be working. Now we'll do a restart. Okay, still not working. Let's do a restart. I will get back with you all whenever it's done. Well, there we go. So, issue was a simple permissions thing that I forgot to set up on the file share that I set up just for this video. We will talk about file shares in another video, but I'll show you my mistake, what I did. Pretty much. Um, so this is the actual path that I have. So this is the server name, this is the share folder that I created, and the wallpaper folder. Pretty much, I just had it restricted to just admins. Uh, so anyone else who tried to, like the computer, tried to apply the policy, they couldn't apply because they didn't have permissions. I pretty much just set it to everyone. As in this is a lab, we don't really have any security risk. It's just a desktop wallpaper, so there's nothing wrong with this. But that was just a simple mistake that I made. I totally forgot to set up the permissions. But yeah, that is pretty much it. So group policy is a way to apply settings, policies, preferences on domain computers. It's not limited to just desktop wallpapers. It's just, it was probably the easiest that I could explain it to you guys. So pretty much what we did is we created the group policy through the group policy management app. Created it. We assigned it to the lab.local whole domain, so any computer that joins the domain from now on will get that policy and get the desktop. And that was pretty much it. If you guys have any questions on this, just let me know down in the comments. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.